Guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I got this look. Okay y'all, so the first thing I do is I make sure my hair is truly detangled. So this is definitely on clean wash hair, and I have my little detangler that I use, and that's what I'm using to brush through my hair. As you can see, I've already done some of the flat twist, and this is how I know to do flat twist best. And I just go over with the cream of the cream of nature, um, here, the hydrating milk, and that's what I've been using right now. So I just kind of put a little bit of that into my hair and massage it in, and I try not to use too much because this kind of product, I noticed that it does kind of give me build up and all those things in my scalp. So basically I just take, yeah, notice like whenever I don't have a strong grip, I just start over, and that's because I I honestly struggle with styling my hair, and these are like the only basic flat twists that I know how to do, and I have actually gotten better compared to like before. So I always try to make sure I have a really good grip to get a neater look of the flat twist. But I was being lazy doing my hair, so I did a little bit uh, bigger size, as you can see how they look like, and I went over some of it again in this video. So this is basically it. This is how I do flat twist, uh, and I know it depends on the product that you use as well. That kind of helps giving the shine and also the size. But when I really want to be lazy with my natural hair, which I am a lazy natural hair girl, uh, this is what I do. So yeah, simple, easy, straight to the point. So that's pretty much it for twisting, my hair. However, I will be showing you guys as well how I unravel. So stay tuned. So it's the next day, and I'm ready to unravel my hair. I'm only applying one thing, and that is the olive oil by Vatika. This oil has been really good. I love the scent. It's not too strong, and it's really been helping with my moisturizing for my scalp and everything. So I just dab a little bit, and then I take my time unraveling slowly. I can be a little bit rough when it comes to flat twist and unraveling because I am very impatient with that. But as you can see for this video, I was trying my best because I didn't want a lot of frizz. However, that was not the case, so you get the gist. This is how my hair turned out. This is the simplest style that I can uh, go to, mostly on freshly washed hair when I have the time. Like, it is so hard to keep up with my hair regime because having a new baby, oh god, that doesn't help. So yeah, but I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you leave a comment and also give the video thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and share the video. Thanks for watching. this is the look, and it's not bad, it's cute. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video.